Are you curious about how much weight a person should gain during pregnancy? It's an exciting and vital question for anyone welcoming a new life. Unlike most times when weight gain is seen as bad, pregnancy is one period when gaining weight is not just good, it's necessary for a healthy baby. Everyone's body is unique, but there are expert guidelines to help you know what's healthy. Before pregnancy, some people have different body sizes. Those who are underweight should expect to gain more, while those who are overweight should gain less. On average, healthy weight gain during pregnancy depends on starting BMI, body mass index. For underweight individuals, a gain of 28 to 40 pounds is recommended. For those with an average weight, 25 to 35 pounds is ideal. Overweight individuals should aim for 15 to 25 pounds, and people with obesity should aim for 11 to 20 pounds. Typically, only 2 to 4 pounds are gained in the first trimester, followed by about 1 pound per week thereafter. Expectant parents carrying twins or multiples should gain more. Normal weight people having twins need around 37 to 54 pounds. How is this extra weight used? It's not just baby. About 8 pounds will be the baby, 2 to 3 pounds is the placenta, another 2-3 pounds of amniotic fluid, 2 to 3 pounds of extra breast tissue, about 4 pounds is extra blood supply, 5 to 9 pounds is extra fat for delivery and breastfeeding, and 2 to 5 pounds is because the uterus gets bigger. All that weight helps to nourish and protect the growing baby. If you're concerned about gaining too much weight, consult your healthcare provider. They're the experts and can offer friendly advice. Eating a variety of healthy foods and listening to hunger cues helps keep weight gain on track. Losing weight during pregnancy is not safe, as it can affect the baby's growth and development. It's always best to check in with healthcare professionals about any changes or concerns. And if gaining enough is tricky, eating more often can help. Keep healthy snacks nearby for when hunger hits. Pregnant people should consume about 100 to 300 extra calories a day, choosing foods high in protein and nutrients, like lean meat, beans, cheese, and yogurt, to support the body and the baby. The key is communication with healthcare providers and making healthy choices. Every pregnancy is different, so personal advice from doctors is essential. Remember, weight gain during pregnancy is a sign of health, and caring for a new life means giving your body the fuel it needs. Subscribe to our channel to explore science, health, and everything kids want to know about growing strong, inside and out.